I'm Sioned Williams, I'm the Plaid Cymru candidate for Neath. I think now is the time to forge a new set of priorities for Neath. I think that the economic decline and the neglect people have felt in recent years can be seen in Neath Town Centre. We've seen during COVID that our local independent family-run businesses are really the backbone of our communities here. They've been a real lifeline, and I think more emphasis has to be put on supporting them, creating a really lively, vibrant town centre which will benefit everybody who work and live here. I don't come from a family of politicians, but I do come from a political family. My parents were children of miners, and they instilled in me from a very early age an avid interest in social justice, in working rights, in news and current affairs, and in culture. I've got a very common story for people of this area. My grandparents had to leave school to work. My mum Guy had to leave grammar school because of poverty, but what she would do then was help people in the street, write letters for them, advocate for them when they needed help, and that's what really drives me. I hope that I can bring my life experiences and the experiences of a long and varied career to bear on the really important decisions that are now going to be made for the future of Wales.